On October 10th, 2018, Norfolk Southern's B-44 local was busy kicking cars in preparation for an eastbound move over the Amtrak Michigan line. The B-44 is a daily train that typically runs at night, but on this day, the train's seasoned crew made a rare daylight run to the Jiffy Mix plant in Chelsea, Michigan. From the Fallahy Road grade crossing at Control Point 72, we watched the train depart for Chelsea with 2 loaded hoppers in tow. Talk about an overpowered train. We caught up with the train in Chelsea, a mere 18 miles to the east. The train would drop off the 2 loaded cars for the Chelsea Milling Company before taking 2 empties back west. Jiffy Mix is a brand of baking mixes marketed by the Chelsea Milling Company that has been producing the brand since 1930. The company was previously named Chelsea Roller Mill and was founded in 1887. Chelsea Milling are known nationally for their products being packaged in a recognizable small box with the brand's logo in blue. The next time you consider purchasing Jiffy Mix, you'll now know where it's manufactured and that the mill is served by Norfolk Southern. The Chelsea Milling Company owns a small trackmobile and operates the unit for handling the cars through the loading process at the elevator. After the crew had picked up the empties, they were ready to make their way west over the Michigan line. At Grass Lake, Michigan, the train stopped so that the engineer could take a restroom break before continuing to Jackson. Grass Lake is located at milepost 65 on the Michigan line and features a beautifully restored Michigan Central depot. The depot opened for business in December of 1887 after construction and shipment of stone materials from a quarry at Foster Station just northwest of Ann Arbor. Passenger service to Grass Lake was prominent until the 1950s, when the rise of the interstates spelled the demise of local passenger trains. In 1953, Grass Lake was reduced to being a flag stop for a single train until 1956, when passenger service to the small community permanently ended. On June 21, 1980, the Grass Lake Fire Department responded to a fire at the depot. The fire, caused by arson, left the depot as a mere stone skeleton until 1988, when its 8-year abandonment was halted by the purchase of the property by the Whistle Stop Park Association. Today, the Grass Lake Depot is known for being the architectural gem of the community and hosts many events, such as weddings and high school proms. After the engineer had used the facilities at the Marathon service station, the train proceeded west for Jackson. Thank you for watching Delay in Block Productions. Until next time, happy railroading.